visit? Yeah? Come on, Eddie. Come on, cute. Hey, Nix. Bo, bo. Come on. Come on out, guys. What you doing? Yeah? Yeah? You wanna come out? Yeah? Come on. It's okay. Hi, cute. Yeah. Hi, boy. Hi, boy. Yeah? Annie. Do you want to come too? They're busy going back to bed. Maybe not. Annie. Pepper. Nix. Bobo. Hi, boy. Yeah. Hi, little boy. Yeah. Oh, you coming here? Yeah. Here comes Pepper. Hi, Pepper. Hi, big boy. 1, 2. He's chewing my watch. Hi, Eddie. Yeah? You being shy? Hi, boys. Oh, are you coming out? Eddie. What? Hi, guys. You're okay. You're okay, boys. Eddie. Come on, girl. Come on. Come on, girl. Yeah. Your brothers are here. Want to come out and visit? Yeah. You can do it. Yeah. Eddie. Come here, Eddie. Yeah. Look at you. Good girl. Come here, Eddie. Come here, girl. Come here, little girl. Good girl. Look how tiny you are compared to your brothers. Yeah? Count's hungry.